community artists and trainers sa Alaminos City na libre po nagpapag-train ng mga young artists sa Alaminos City para dumami pa po ang mga artists sa lugar po namin. And of course, pasalamatan ko lang po ang aming youngest city mayor, Mayor Art Brian Celeste, sa suporta, and our city vice mayor na kasama po namin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
And for the best cultural dance group,
the nominees are Panghalang Bagong Cebu Theater and Dance Company, Kailayan Folkloric Group, Muntinlupa Dance Company, Sindao Philippines Performing Arts Guild.
and the Aliu goes to Tanghalang Bagong Cebu Theater and Dance
I worked with them before. Alianza. Most of it. Most of it. Most of it.
Maraming salamat po Aliu Awards sa pagkilala. Ito po isang pagpapatunay na totoo pong bumabaha sa Malabon. Bumabaha na mahuhusay ng mga kabataan, mga mamayang imama sa sining at kultura ng ating bayan. Maraming salamat po at nasa po share ito sa lahat po ng mga naging member ng Tanghalang Bagong Cebu. 22 years na po kami ngayon sa mga magulang na pumayag para maging bahagi po sila. Sa aming mayor, please po 10 seconds na gano'n. And sa aming salamat po. And sa lahat ng mga teacher ko, kay Sir Douglas, Sir Tonos Bero, kay Ma'am Des Atienza, maraming salamat po. Para sa pamilya po namin lahat.
For the best classical male dancer,
Uwi na kayo?
The nominees are Stephanie Sanchak, Tales of the Balloon, Rodolfo Sanyano, Tales of the Balloon, Al Frederick Abraham, Tales of the Balloon, Jovan Emerecia, Snow White, Elpidio Maga, Snow White, Abigail Oliveira, Snow White.
my apologies, best classical dancer. And the Aliu goes to Abigail Oliveira.
I'd like to thank my artistic directors, Lisa Makua Elizalde and Lucia Barroso, my loving boyfriend for supporting me on and off stage over time, and my family for everything. Thank you so much for the awards for this recognition. It means
Probably. Park.
and for the best classical singer female,
The nominees are Lara Malique, Jay Grisho, Nenan Espina, Sweet Samaniego Buchanan, Kathy Hipólito Haas,
Abreu for recognizing classical singers. And I would like to share this award with my kids and my boyfriend and of course my family. So, maraming salamat po.
Best Classical Singer, male.